5 seconds. Transparency is an important tenet of our government. IRS mission is to ensure 100% transparency in all its operations. We have initiated the process of conducting recruitments online in 2015-16, and the process is now being replicated for all positions. Social media is also being used as a tool to bring in transparency in our day to day working. All procurement, including procurement of works, have moved to the e platform. We intend to user into a new era by switching over to paperless contract management system, where not only the bids are invited online, but the entire process leading to award of a tender is also done electronically. We have completed the trial run for the above and intend to roll it out of on a pan India basis in next financial year, with a view to ensuring empowerment at functional level. I had delegated to the zonal railways all tender and estimate related powers. However, my task is not yet complete, and this process will go on. As a result of the above decision, we were able to ensure that the projects get sanctioned with a period of 6-8 months, a process which earlier used to take more than 2 years. With more delegation comes greater accountability, and to establish this new culture, key result areas have been defined for general managers and divisional railway managers. These areas clearly articulate the metrics on which the officials would be evaluated, ensuring objectivity in assessment of performance and mid-term course corrections. We have signed MOUs with some zonal railways where quantifiable targets on performance parameters were clearly laid out. This ensured resounding commitment from these railways in meeting their targets. We shall do it for all zonal next year. We also revamped our internal audit systems with a view to bringing in efficiency in our working practice. Specialized teams have been mandated to screen railway operations in specific areas to detect inefficiency and prevent wastages. All zonal railways have been asked to prepare two such reports in the current year. Specialized training courses of IT based internal audit mechanism have also been initiated to give professional teeth to the internal audit teams. The cabinet, in a historic decision, has allowed for the creation of joint ventures with state governments for undertaking rail based projects. The decision will open up new vistas for sharing the ownership of railways, enhance management bandwidth for project execution, strengthen the spirit of cooperatives, federalism, and enable states to jointly decide their priorities for development of backward regions.